Empower students to use devices and the internet to learn, lead, and communicate with others with digital leadership lessons in Seesaw. Even as digital natives, students need guidance and practice from an early age in using devices and the internet safely and responsibly. In digital leadership lessons, students make real-world choices in a safe environment to practice key digital skills so they're ready for any situation they may face inside and outside of school. Start with these lessons to set students up for success for future computer science learning. Digital leadership lessons cover foundational concepts aligned to leading computer science standards, all leveraging powerful multimodal tools built for young learners. Let's explore. Kindergarten through third grade students engage in hands-on activities while making real-world choices with Beam, your friendly neighborhood monster. First, students are introduced to a digital leadership skill in an interactive narrative. Students follow Beam to learn how to be safe, balance screen time, prevent cyberbullying, and much more. Students apply what they learned by making choices themselves. They get immediate feedback on the impact of their choice, so they're able to reflect and try again if needed, before being celebrated for making the responsible choice.
Yay! I made the safe choice and asked my grown-up if the game is safe for me to play.
In 4th and 5th grade, students jump into a graphic novel following 7 diverse superheroes to explore choices that build students' leadership skills. In the introduction, students read along as our superheroes help them think through common scenarios. Then, students engage in practice activities that activate their digital leadership powers and reinforce responsible decision-making so they're ready for anything they might face in our digital world. Each lesson ends with a ready-made assessment to give teachers actionable insights into student learning toward objectives. And printable resources for families, available in English and Spanish, support students in making responsible digital choices beyond school walls. Seesaw's age-appropriate digital leadership lessons easily fold into any instructional day, providing the foundation for all computer science learning. Teach your students to actively contribute to the digital space and create positive change in your community and world with digital leadership lessons in Seesaw.